All right, how to check the tread on your car tires or truck tires, okay? Well, the first thing you want to do is do a visual inspection. You want to look at it, you want to make sure you have grooves and lines in there and not one of them is smooth. Any of these rails are smooth, you got a problem, okay? That means a weird wear. Usually this will get smooth if it's overinflated. If it's an alignment problem, then it's going to have a wear on this side or this side, toe in, toe out. So you need to look for those. You need to make sure that everything looks pretty even inside there. But most of the time I get a phone call from my sons or my grandkids, and they ask me, about my tires in my car, how can I check them? Well, it's pretty easy right in here. I'll use a flashlight to kind of give you a better idea here. Not the flasher there. Here we go. We'll get this little bump here, okay? You'll see another one. And they're usually pretty close to each other on each row. So once you find one, you can find it in the next row pretty easy. So let me take you through it here. Here's first row, second row, third row, fourth row. You may have 3 rows, you may have, 4. Just depends on your tires, who the maker is. But anyway, these little bumps here, as you see that little bump there that I just pointed out with the flashlight there? You can feel it with your finger when you're going through the tread, because you can't always turn all your tires to the right or left so you can see them easily. So like the rear tires, you're gonna have to feel with your finger going down each tread till you find the bump. There it is. And then you go down here. And you can definitely touch it and you're deep in the tread, you're good to go. But when this bump is even with your tread, I'm saying the bump, when you touch this bump and it's even with the tread, that means your tires are needing to be replaced, okay? And that's gonna be a quick indicator to tell you you've got to get new tires for your car. I know it's expensive, but better to have good tires than bad tires all day long, just like brakes. Brakes, windshield wipers, and tires. I always tell my kids that's the most important thing you can ever have, okay? So anyway, you just take with your finger, feel in there, feel your grooves, find it, and if it's deeper than the tread itself, you're still good unless you got some weird wear and tear, like I said, on the left and right side or the middle from overinflation, or underinflation does some weird things to your tires too. Really wears them. They wear all kinds of weird. Anyway, so for the back there, just going by the back real quick, it's gonna be a little bit more difficult. You're gonna have to use more or less your eyes to look at the tread itself, okay? Get an idea what it looks like. Make sure everything's good, just looking at it from one point of view from the bottom of the car. And then you're gonna have to use your fingers to feel in there and find that tread wear indicator. Okay, and there's the one right there. And then as you go further in, there should be somewhere real close to that row here, because they're always pretty close to each other. Yeah, it's a little higher on this one. It goes down, up, and then this one goes down a little. The next one goes just about even with the last one. So you just go through there, you feel your tread wears, and as long as it's deeper than the tread itself, you're good. But if it's even with the tread, or even, worn down completely even with the tread, you need to get some new tires. You need to replace them things. So anyway, that's how you check your tread. And once I said hi to my grandkids, don't bug me anymore, watch the video. But for everybody else out there, I hope you learned something. Good luck, God bless, works for me.